I built a YouTube channel using nothing but Claude AI that generates $70,000 every single month. No face on camera, no editing skills needed. In this video, I'm going to break down the entire process, channel overview, revenue proof, and the exact system I use. This channel is only a few months old with over 100,000 subscribers and just a handful of videos. The niche is faceless storytelling, and every single video is created using AI tools, scripting, voiceover, and visuals are all automated. Last month alone, this channel pulled in millions of views and earned around $70,000 through AdSense, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. And all of this happened with the help of Claude AI. The first step is using Claude to research your niche. I simply prompt Claude with something like, suggest 10 viral faceless YouTube niches with low competition. Once you pick a winning niche, Claude can write your daily scripts, complete with hooks, storylines, and call to actions. Once the script is ready, I use 11 Labs to generate a realistic voiceover. With Claude Code, you can even build an automation script that sends your text directly to the voiceover API, saving you tons of time. For visuals, I use AI video tools like Higsfield. I get Claude to write detailed, cinematic prompts for every scene, so the visuals match the script perfectly. All the assets get collected into one folder, then assembled using an automated editor. With Claude Code, you can even build a script that auto-generates your thumbnail, text, titles, and descriptions based on the video content. Consistency is everything. I post one video a day at the same time daily. I also use Claude to generate multiple title and thumbnail ideas for A/B testing. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe. Drop a comment if you want a full step-by-step automation guide. I'll make a detailed tutorial. See you in the next one.